In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of text in Microsoft Forms. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to customize your surveys and quizzes, making them more visually appealing and engaging for users. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. As you type Microsoft Forms into your search bar, take note of the official link that appears in the search results. You want to ensure you are using the correct website to avoid any potential security risks. Once the search results load, you should see the official Microsoft Forms page among the top results. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials to gain access to your forms. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Logging in securely is important because it protects your data and ensures you have access to your saved forms. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can manage your forms. Now, open your survey or quiz in Microsoft Forms. On your dashboard, you will see a list of forms you've created. Click on the title of the survey or quiz you want to edit. This action brings you directly to the editing interface of your form. It is essential to have your specific form open so you can make the necessary changes to the text color effectively. After that, click on the question card, section header, or form title you want to edit. This is where the fun part begins, as you will be selecting the specific text you want to change. When you click on the element, it will be highlighted, indicating that it is ready for editing. This step is significant because it allows you to focus on the exact part of your form that needs a color update. Next, use your mouse cursor to highlight the exact word or phrase you want to change. By clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, you can select the specific part you want to modify. This action is vital as it ensures only the desired text will be affected by the color change. After highlighting, you will notice the text remains selected, which confirms that you are ready for the next step. A floating formatting toolbar will instantly appear directly above your highlighted text. This toolbar is equipped with various formatting options that you can use to enhance your text. The appearance of this toolbar indicates that you are in the right place to customize your text's appearance. It is designed to give you quick access to essential editing features without navigating through multiple menus. Now click the font color icon, represented by an A with a colored bar or a colored drop palette underneath. This icon is typically located on the formatting toolbar and is easily identifiable. Clicking this icon will open up a selection of colors you can choose from. This little step is crucial because it directly leads you to the color options available for your text. Next, select your preferred color from the drop-down palette matrix. A wide array of colors will be displayed, allowing you to pick the one that best fits your form's theme. Choosing the right color can significantly enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your text. Make sure to take your time to find a color that aligns with your vision for the form. Finally, click anywhere outside the text box to save the changes automatically. This simple action confirms that your selection has been finalized and it will be reflected in your form. You will see a confirmation appear which reassures you that your edits have been successfully applied. Now your text stands out with a fresh color, enhancing the overall look of your survey or quiz.